Welcome for the demonstration of aptitude mock test with sample questions for the post of management trainees, engineer, officer marketing and assistant officer marketing. This is an objective test and multiple options for each questions are provided. You have to click on correct option. Please remember there will be 1/4 negative marking for each wrong answers. The online aptitude test is divided into 3 parts: general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability and general awareness. We move down to the first, which is general English. The first question is, choose the appropriate word for the blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence. The first question is, he neglects attending lectures though college is quite dash his house, and the right answer is near. The second question is, choose the appropriate word for the blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence. The question is, the police stormed in and dashed the hostages, and the right answer is freed. The third question is, choose the appropriate word for the blank that best fits the meaning of the sentence. Select from amongst the 5 alternatives the word nearest in meaning to the word given in capitals accomplished, and the right answer is completed. The fourth question is, read this sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. That part is the answer. If there is no error, the answer is no error. Ignore the errors of punctuations if any, and the question is, a small piece of bread is better than having nothing to eat. The answer is no error. And the fifth question is, your television set is superior to our television set by all respects, and the correct answer is D. Then we move down to the quantitative aptitude, and the first question is, Sohanlal purchased 120 reams of paper at rupees 100 per ream. The expenditure on transport was rupees 480. He had to pay an octroi duty of 50 paise per ream and the coolie charges were rupees 60. What should be the selling price of each ream if he wants a profit of 20%? And the correct answer is rupees 126. The next question is, which of the following can be exact multiple of 4? And the correct answer is 58204. The third question is, study the following table carefully and answer the questions. How many candidates did obtain more than 69% marks and above in both written examination and interview? And the correct answer is 13. Fourth question is, study the following table carefully and answer the questions. We have the table given here, and the question is, if approximately 325 candidates were to be qualified in the written examination, what should be the percentage of the qualifying marks? Second is the right answer, which is other than those given as options. In the similar manner, we have the table given here. Study the following table carefully and answer the questions. And the questions is, above 42% of the candidates fall in which of the following ranges of the interview marks? And the correct answer is 50 and above. We move down to the third part, which is reasoning ability and general awareness, and the first question is, Mandi House is dash, and the right answer is the office of the Director General of Doordarshan. The next question is, Oscar awards are given for the best performance in which of the following field? And the correct answer is films. We have the third question. Read the information given below and answer the question. 6 plays A, B, C, D, E and F of a famous playwright are to be staged one on each day from Monday to Saturday. The schedule of the plays is to be in accordance with the following. First, A must be on the previous day of the on which E is staged. Second is, C must not be staged on Tuesday. Third, B must be on a day which follows the day on which F is staged. The fourth, D must be staged on Friday only and should not be immediately preceded by B. E must not be staged on the last day of the schedule. And the question is, which of the following is the schedule of plays with the order of their staging from Monday? And the first is the right answer other than those given as options. In the similar manner, we have the fourth question with the same instructions. Play C cannot definitely be staged on which of the following days in addition to Tuesday, and the correct answer is Friday. The fifth question, again with the same instruction, is read the information given below and answer the question. 6 plays A, B, C, D, E and F of a famous playwright are to be staged, one on each day from Monday to Saturday. With the same instruction, we move to the fifth question. Play D is between which of the following pairs of plays? And the correct answer is C and E. The sixth question is, R.K. Lakshman is famous for, and the answer is cartoons. And the seventh question is, look at this series 12, 11, 13, 12, 14, 13. What number should come next? And the correct answer is 15. The eighth question is, Vishwanathan Anand is associated with which of the following games? And the correct answer is chess. The ninth question is, in a row of girls, if Sita, who is 10th from left, and Leena, who is 9th from the right, interchange their seats, Sita becomes 15th from the left. How many girls are there in the row? And the correct answer is other than those given as options. Which of the following stands for I in RBI? And the correct answer is India. Dear candidates, please note this is not an actual examination paper. It is a demonstration to give an overview of actual pattern of the online examination. Dear candidates, the demo link for aptitude test is given in the link of each post, which is available on RCF website, that is www.rcfltd.com under HR section, and then click on recruitment. Hope you prepare well and do well in the test. Wish you all the best. Thank you.